আমিনুল সাহেবের অতিরিক্ত চাপের কারণে যিনি ইলেকশন কমিশনের হয়ে কাজ করেছেন তার নাম বাদ দেওয়ার জন্য লিস্টে বাদ করে দিয়েছেন, মানে উনি সারা
Rhythm is here. Rhythm is here. Okay, these are pictures coming in from Kolkata. It seems that these are Trinamool cadres, or I mean, we'll try to understand what is this, but these are protests outside the CEO or the Chief Electoral Officer office in Kolkata, right? This is escalation of political aggression, it seems, in Bengal. This comes on the back of the Supreme Court taking a tough posture against the Bengal government and its obstructionism of the SIR, against its combat with the Election Commission, and the manner in which the Supreme Court has come out hammer and tongs against the Bengal government, specifically the Bengal DGP. This seems like protests now. Whether these are Trinamool protests or these are victory protests, we have to check. Can we get the audio there? Okay, so obviously these are Trinamool protests because Kalyan Banerjee has made a statement saying, look, see how our workers would come out and protest, because this seems like Bengal under Mamata is going to take on the Supreme Court also. Harsha joins us live from the Kolkata newsroom. Harsha, over to you. What are these protests? Where are they happening in Kolkata? And who are these people? Are these Trinamool cadres? Are they protesting against the Supreme Court instructions?
So Abhishek, this is a BLO who was appointed in the Surjapur, and what we've got to learn is that on Wednesday 44 SIR forms including his own were reportedly returned for correction, and this protest is basically happening by the Trinamool Congress BLO outside the office of Chief Electoral Office of West Bengal. The CEO of West Bengal Election Commission is Mr. Manoj Agarwal, and these days we have seen that how TMC have been raising the issue of the stress working environment for the BLOs, and there has been tragic death of this particular BLO in the Malda area where he was appointed, and it is being stated by TMC that he was under immense work pressure which led to his death, and therefore FIR should be registered against Election Commission of India and against the CEO of West Bengal for this kind of attitude for the BLOs who have been working day and night, and their own forms are being rejected and being resent for the corrections. And there's a reason why in huge number outside the office of CEO of West Bengal, which is near the Dalhousie road in West Bengal, in Kolkata, the protest is happening right now. If you see the Abhishek visuals clearly, all these are BLOs who were deployed in different sectors, in different areas in West Bengal. They were given the duty in the SR to collect the SIR forms, go door to door, and also initiate that there no individual is missed, and each form 6 and 7 are properly ensured of the electors. But in this case, what we have seen, the name of this particular deceased BLO for whom these all TMC BLOs are protesting, the name was Muhammad Anikul Alam. He was 54 years, and also it is being said and how his responsibility was for booth number 144 to ensure that the work is properly done. And now Kalyan Banerjee and the other TMC leaders have clearly stated that he was under immense pressure from the side of Election Commission of India that led to his tragic death. And now what BJP has stated is that the political dispensation in the West Bengal is responsible for politicizing the SIR entire process. Abhishek, we have seen how since the time SIR process has been initiated and started in West Bengal, since that time to till now, the issue of BLO's death has been immensely severely raised by the political party TMC. Here Mamata Banerjee spoke about this in the Supreme Court as well, but Election Commission of India, CC Gyanesh Kumar, has every time stated that these are mere allegations. The claims are wrong. None of the death has happened because of the process of the SIR. They do their duty and they submit the forms, they give it to AEROs and EROs, they submit the form and they go home. There no tragic death has happened because of the SIR intense process, but TMC has been claiming that the death has happened because of the SIR, the intense process. And these are the visuals on our screen, Abhishek. The visuals outside the CEO office, Dalhousie Road. It is the Balmer Lorry office of the CEO where exactly this protest is being conducted, is taking place. The demonstration is happening by the TMC workers, by the TMC BLOs in huge number. Let's say the number is between 50 to 60 of these BLOs who are right now protesting. The entire route is jam-packed. They're protesting on road against the CEO and they're stating that the police should register an FIR against the CEO of West Bengal, Manoj Agarwal. Back to you.
Harsha, you're absolutely right. There's chaos outside the EC office, and you know what strikes us, Harsha, is the workers are taking law onto their hand after the Supreme Court has said extraordinary circumstances need extraordinary measures. They've asked for the Calcutta High Court to step in, and they've asked for judicial officers to be appointed to look into the SIR matter. When such extreme measures are being taken by the Supreme Court to ensure that the law is followed, a section of TMO BLOs and the chaos outside the EC office is unwarranted. There is chaos outside. We're seeing a warning from in the Supreme Court lawns, Kalyan Banerjee, senior advocate, someone extremely close to Mamata Banerjee. How is this supposed to be read? Do you think it could be pre-planned? Was this orchestrated? Were they really believing the Supreme Court that said that we are very disappointed with the West Bengal government and its response? Did they actually think this would happen and therefore this was already something they were going to do, because the protests are there outside the Bengal EC office, Harsha?
One more thing, Rhythm, in the last hearing we saw how Supreme Court stated that there was no discrepancy, and in this time they said it is for the very first time happening that there's a trust deficit between two bodies, state government and the ECI. Never ever, Rhythm, we have seen in the past, when in fact in the SIR process in Bihar, we have not seen such issues, but here since the pro-time SIR process has started, Mamata Banerjee doesn't believe in the law. That's clear. Today there was what was instructed, what was the order from the CJI clearly was that judicial officers will be appointed. Rather than believing in the law, rather than believing that High Court Calcutta will be deputing better judicial officers for the adjudication of the hearings, claims and objections in the SIR process, it looks like it was orchestrated by the TMC leaders, because just after the hearing, Rhythm, the order has come from Supreme Court, and just after 15 minutes, Kalyan Banerjee making a statement, and all the BLO suddenly in 15 minutes reaching outside the office of CEO West Bengal raises a lot of questions that Mamata Banerjee inside and outside, be it in all the ways howsoever she wants to make it a political campaign. This SIR process is a fair process which Election Commission of India has been stating till now, Rhythm. No discrepancy has been found. The 58 lakh voters who have been deleted from the process are the one which were untraceable, ones which were shifted, ones who are residing here but are not the natives of West Bengal. These are all under Form 6 and 7. The voters, the electors list have come out, and the 2 lakh voters who have not been included because of the non-inclusion in the because of the uploading of the document, the Supreme Court has instructed for them only judicial officers are being appointed, so that there could be a fair electoral role for this process. Rather than believing in the law system, the TMC has taken the law and order in their own hand, and right now what we see, the whole Dalhousie road is jam-packed with the protesters, creating disruption and chaos, and also, the roads are blocked there. All the BLOs from the TMC party are there. They have two issues. They have one, the issue of the BLO death, that the FIR should be registered against CEO. The other issue is they don't believe in the Supreme Court order. And that's the reason, one foremost, Rhythm, that the final list, which was supposed to come on 28th of February, looks like the days could be extended and it would not be able to. The final list will not be able to come out on 28th of February. This looks like from the hearing, and right now what we see is that protest visuals, the chaotic visuals from outside CEO. There's a Balmer Lorry Road office of the CEO West Bengal, Rhythm. The protesters are all the BLOs of the TMC party, and this right after Kalyan Banerjee's statement. Back to you.
I want to stay with those visuals. I want Harsha to please be with us. We're going to stay with those visuals. We're going to once play out that reaction that came from the Supreme Court, Kalyan Banerjee outside the Supreme Court, where he said, and we're going to stay with those visuals. We're going to play that in a window moments after the order. Kalyan said, look how our workers will be energized now. Was this a warning? Was this something they had already thought? Were they disappointed with the Supreme Court that took extraordinary measures here? Take a look at what? Okay, we're going to look at Kalyan Banerjee's reaction also that had come in, viewers. I'm going to tell you what happened. Major chaos outside the EC office. Harsha continues to be with us. We're also going to try and go across to Mayuk. And we're going to tell you what happened in the Supreme Court, viewers, after which I'll tell you what's happening outside there. Merely today, the Supreme Court has said that we want to tell you that there are extraordinary circumstances, so we are going to do 3 to 4 things. And the Supreme Court has first said it's clear there's a trust deficit between the ECI and the West Bengal government. Therefore, they have said, we will appoint judicial officers to adjudicate the claims and objections of the SIR process in Bengal. Then they've said the Supreme Court requests the Calcutta High Court Chief Justice to spare serving and former judicial officers in the rank of district judges for SIR duties. And finally, the Supreme Court says it had to pass the extraordinary order due to extraordinary circumstances. Now I'm going to tell you, before I go across to Harsha, the 3 observations passed today, which are possibly the reason that the TMC is protesting, because the Supreme Court said, you are not providing competent Group A officers. How can incompetent officials decide the fates of people? Then the Chief Justice of India said, if this is the level of communication from the state, for Feb 9th order, you've given a reply on 17th Feb and you're saying state government is examining the officers? Examining? You should have written 8,500 officers are sent. We are not on micro observers. This is the top court of the country. You cannot tell them to micromanage observers for an election in a state. They say, we thought states will cooperate. We don't want private explanations. And finally, a very strong warning to the West Bengal DGP, where they say, unfortunately, it seems that ECI's allegations were made that SR was marred by violence and threat and intimidation. This was something even in the last hearing that had happened. The Supreme Court says all these statements are made. Is the DGP taking care of this? Else there will be stern action. After the Supreme Court hearing, viewers, what do we see? We see chaos outside the EC office in Kolkata minutes after the Supreme Court order. The fact that it's minutes clearly gives an indication. On the one hand, Kalyan Banerjee saying what he did. On the other hand, there is gundagiri, Harsha, at the EC office. It's very clear that this could have been a motivated protest. Harsha.
Yes, Rhythm, you rightly pointed out this could be a motivated and orchestrated protest which has been initiated by TMC itself. Not only Kalyan Banerjee, now the leaders across the West Bengal have been started speaking once the Supreme Court order is out. And Rhythm, what's wrong with judicial officers? Mamata Banerjee doesn't believe in the officers who have been appointed by the Election Commission. The observers who are here in West Bengal in different areas, Rhythm, the news have been continuously floating how they were attacked. There was an officer, C. Murugan, he was South 24 Pargana. When he was there for the hearing process, there was a continuous attack on him. And Republic Bangla extensively reported about it, that how he was attacked by the TMC goons in places which are TMC dominated. So if that's the situation with the observers, what's wrong with judicial officers appointing? And with this also TMC doesn't seem to be satisfied. TMC believes that judicial officers will also not be able to adjudicate claims and objections in the hearing process and the final listing of the SIR. What we see here, Rhythm, is that TMC is politicizing this whole SIR process, which is a very intense process. Rhythm, the process is going extensively from last 3 to 4 months, and how officers were there on ground. One district magistrate, AERO and observers have been working day and night to ensure that the electoral process is fair. But TMC, not only the first time, multiple times have taken out protests on ground, and this is now the new protest by the TMC protesters, TMC BLOs outside CEO West Bengal office, because not only of the death of one of the BLO, but also against the Supreme Court order, because they're continuously stating that there's a discrepancy in the SIR list. Rhythm, the list has been of 58 lakh has been told by ECI. It was given to the BLOs and BLAs both. The government agents clearly know that what are these lists, how many people are untraceable, and continuously Mamata Banerjee has been speaking about discrepancy, while no discrepancy is seen in any of the border areas or the central area of the Kolkata. The only deduction has been of the people who are untraceable, who are not alive, have been reported dead, who have shifted, who are the migrants, not the voter of West Bengal. Only those have been deleted. Now with the judicial officers which the Calcutta High Court will be deputing, former ones or the present ones on deputation, they will ensure that the SIR list is fair, the electoral roll is fair with them, and that's what CGI has given the order today, looking at that there's a trust deficit between ECI and between the state government. And Rhythm, only 7 officers were suspended. The show cause notice and the recommendation from the CEO DPO of West Bengal electoral officer was of much more. The discrepancy, the EROs and the AEROs of the state were not letting the document upload. That's the situation here, and DGP has not been ensuring proper law and order for the observers who were continuously attacked by the TMC goons in West Bengal. Back to you.
Harsha, thank you for giving us that update. This is the top focus we're going to continue tracking on Republic TV.